Today, we're putting your knowledge to the test. Get ready for an exciting multiple-choice Q&A all about the amazing human organs. We'll present you with a description of a vital organ, and you'll choose the correct answer from the options provided. Which paired organ is uniquely adapted with millions of thin-walled sacs to maximize the surface area for efficient diffusion of gases between the atmosphere and the bloodstream? The kidneys, the liver, the lungs, or the pancreas? Take a moment to think about the right answer. We're talking about the lungs. These incredible organs are uniquely adapted with millions of tiny, thin-walled sacs, called alveoli. This vast network of sacs creates an enormous surface area. Imagine unfolding all of them, and they'd cover a tennis court. This massive surface is perfectly designed to maximize the efficient diffusion of gases, allowing oxygen to quickly pass from the air into your blood, and carbon dioxide to move out. Ready for the next question? Let's go! This complex, highly metabolic organ serves as the ultimate control and information processing center for the entire nervous system, integrating sensory input and coordinating motor output. Is it A, spinal cord, B, peripheral nerves, C, brain, D, cerebellum? This complex, highly metabolic organ that serves as the ultimate control and information processing center for the entire nervous system, integrating sensory input and coordinating motor output, is the brain. Your brain, despite making up only about 2% of your body weight, consumes roughly 20% of your body's total oxygen and calories. But here's the truly mind-blowing part. It can generate enough electrical activity to power a small light bulb, even while you're asleep. You are doing well answering these questions. Keep up the great work. This butterfly-shaped endocrine gland, located in the neck below the larynx, is crucial for producing hormones that regulate the body's metabolic rate, influencing growth and development. A. Adrenal gland. B. Pituitary gland. C. Parathyroid glands. D. Thyroid gland. This butterfly-shaped endocrine gland, located in the neck below the larynx, is the thyroid gland. And here's a cool fact. This small but mighty gland holds the unique distinction of being the only organ in your body that absorbs iodine. It's absolutely crucial because the thyroid needs iodine to produce its vital hormones, like thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3, which are essentially the master regulators of your body's energy use. Without enough iodine, your thyroid can't function properly, highlighting just how interconnected our diet is with the intricate workings of our endocrine system. Ready for the next one? Let's go! This structure acts as the central support axis, transferring the weight and forces from the head and trunk down to the lower limbs and pelvis. A. Appendicular skeleton. B. Pelvic girdle. C. Rib cage. D. Vertebral column. It is the vertebral column, also commonly known as the spine or backbone. Your spine is so incredibly flexible and robust that if you were to bend it into a circle, it could actually form nearly 2/3 of a complete circle. This astounding range of motion, combined with its immense strength to support your entire upper body and protect the delicate spinal cord, is thanks to its intricate design of 33, or 26 in adults, due to fusion, individual vertebrae cushioned by intervertebral discs. It's a true marvel of biological engineering, allowing for both powerful movements and subtle shifts that are fundamental to human posture and locomotion. You are doing well answering these questions. Keep up the great work. This large, highly vascular organ, located in the upper right quadrant of the abdomen, performs over 500 known functions, including producing bile and detoxifying the blood. A. Spleen. B. Pancreas. C. Kidney. D. Liver. The liver. And here's a fascinating fact about it. The liver is the only human internal organ capable of natural regeneration. If a portion of it is removed due to injury or disease, the remaining healthy tissue can regrow to its original size in a matter of weeks or months. This incredible ability makes it unique among our major organs and crucial for medical interventions like living donor liver transplants. This tirelessly working muscular organ, located in the mediastinum of the thoracic cavity, is solely responsible for generating the pressure required to propel blood through the systemic and pulmonary circulations. A. Lungs. B. Brain. C. Heart. D. Kidneys. The answer is C. Heart. This tirelessly working muscular organ, located in the mediastinum of the thoracic cavity, is solely responsible for generating the pressure required to propel blood through the systemic and pulmonary circulations. That's the heart. And here's an amazing fact about it. Did you know that in an average lifetime, your heart will beat approximately 3.5 billion times? To put that into perspective, if you were to open your heart and connect all the blood vessels in your body end to end, they would stretch for over 60,000 miles, about 96,500 kilometers, long enough to circle the Earth more than 2 times. Your heart tirelessly pumps blood through this incredible network, delivering life-sustaining oxygen and nutrients to every single cell without ever needing a break. You are doing well answering these questions. Keep up the great work. These bean-shaped organs, located on either side of the spine below the ribs, are the primary regulators of water and electrolyte balance in the body. A. Adrenal glands. B. Liver. C. Kidneys. D. Pancreas. The answer is C. Kidneys. These bean-shaped organs, located on either side of the spine below the ribs, are the primary regulators of water and electrolyte balance in the body. That's your kidneys. And here's an amazing fact about them. Your kidneys process about 1 liter, over a quart, of blood per minute, filtering an astonishing 180 liters, about 47 gallons, of blood every single day. Despite their relatively small size, they tirelessly work 24/7, removing waste products, balancing fluids, and regulating blood pressure, effectively acting as your body's incredibly sophisticated, self-cleaning filtration system. It's an astounding feat of continuous purification. Well done, keep up the great work. This J-shaped organ, located in the upper abdomen between the esophagus and the small intestine, serves as a temporary reservoir, allowing for the gradual release of partially digested food into the duodenum. A. Esophagus. B. Small intestine. C. Large intestine. D. Stomach. The answer is D. Stomach. This J-shaped organ, located in the upper abdomen between the esophagus and the small intestine, serves as a temporary reservoir, allowing for the gradual release of partially digested food into the duodenum. That's the stomach. Did you know that your stomach lining completely replaces itself approximately every 3 to 6 days? This rapid regeneration is absolutely crucial because the stomach contains highly corrosive hydrochloric acid, strong enough to dissolve some metals. This incredible self-renewal mechanism protects your stomach from digesting itself, allowing it to perform its vital role in breaking down food with remarkable resilience. Let's go with the next one. Identify the organ whose highly folded inner lining, rugae, allows for significant expansion to accommodate increasing volumes of fluid without a drastic increase in internal pressure, up to a certain point. A. Small intestine. B. Esophagus. C. Urinary bladder. D. Ureter. About it. Your urinary bladder is incredibly stretchy, like a highly specialized balloon. An average adult bladder can comfortably hold about 300 to 500 milliliters, about 1.5 to 2 cups, of urine. However, thanks to those clever folds, rugae, it can stretch to hold even more, sometimes up to nearly a liter, before you feel a strong urge to go. It's a truly remarkable feat of biological elasticity, allowing for efficient waste storage and release. You're absolutely nailing these questions. Keep up the excellent work. This long, coiled series of organs, extending from the stomach to the anus, is where the vast majority of chemical digestion is completed and most nutrient absorption occurs. A. Esophagus. B. Stomach. C. Intestines. D. Pancreas. The answer is C. Intestines. This long, coiled series of organs, extending from the stomach to the anus, where the vast majority of chemical digestion is completed and most nutrient absorption occurs. Those are your intestines. And here's an amazing fact about them. If you were to uncoil and flatten out the inner lining of your small intestine, it would cover an area roughly the size of a tennis court. This incredible surface area, created by millions of tiny, finger-like projections called villi and microvilli, is precisely what allows for such efficient and extensive absorption of nutrients from the food you eat. It's an engineering marvel designed to maximize nutrient uptake. Alright everyone, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending your time with us. If you enjoyed what you saw, please do us a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or ideas for future videos.